One of the most time-consuming and error-prone tasks at the end of the engineering process is to transfer the system assembly bills of material to the enterprise software database. SolidContact provides the ability to transfer multi-level bill of material data directly to both the Glovia and the IFS Enterprise Software Database platforms. Data validation is integrated into this process to prevent the transfer of bad information. Visual cues are easy to follow, giving the user the opportunity to correct the problem before the upload step. To protect the integrity of previously entered data, items already existing in the enterprise database are highlighted, indicating that the upload process will exclude these items from being uploaded. This seamless process greatly accelerates the workflow while maintaining a high level of data integrity.